Let's make a salad, she said. It'll be fun, she said.
It is fun.
Well, that's debatable, but cooking is not, salad is just mixing things in a bowl and it's inherently boring. If you think about it, there is only one salad which is good without dressing, and that's a Greek salad. Otherwise, it's all in the dressing. So in order to make this good, we have invented a mayonnaise-based dressing, which is absolutely fantastic. So to do that, it's actually pretty simple. You need a cylindrical container like this that fits your what's it called?
Whatever.
Yeah, your mixer.
Hand
So
mixer.
relatively narrow, so it works well. That's an easy way. What we're starting out with is 300 milliliter or a little more than a cup of neutral oil, sunflower oil, something like that. Do not use olive oil here because it becomes bitter when you blend it. So trust me, I have tried it, so I cannot recommend. So 300 milliliter of oil. And then we're going to go in with 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. Just like that, straight in it goes. And then for some of the flavor here, instead of regular vinegar, we are using a tarragon or tarragon-infused vinegar. It gives fantastic flavor in this. And you want to add more than you would if you were making a thick mayonnaise. You want to have this a little bit thinner. So I'd say 3 tablespoons, something like that. And instead of lemon, we are going in with the juice of 1 lime. And that flavor, the taste profile in this dressing is absolutely fantastic. Trust me on that.
More aromatic also.
Yeah. So lime goes in. Dijon mustard, a healthy teaspoon of that. Freshly cracked white pepper in this case, and we need quite a couple of rounds here. It gives good flavor, and it's not as strong as black pepper, so something like that. A good pinch of salt. Last but not least, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then it's all about go in with your immersion blender down to the bottom, and then we start blending and move it slowly upwards, and then you will see how this becomes a dressing instantly. And there you see, nice, not too thick. That's what you want to see. You want to have a dressing and not a thick mayonnaise. You want it to be able to coat your lettuce and your salad. So into a squirt bottle with some of this.
Yeah, it has a good consistency there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
There we go. And then let me taste it. Oof. This is just so good. Trust me. And now we put that aside, and then we move on with our salad. We have here a bit of mixed salad, which is bought in a bag, already cut, washed and ready, so it's easy to do. No need to buy huge chunks of lettuce. You will never eat your way through it anyway. So for this, we want to add some walnuts, because that gives nice flavor. I don't know, a good handful like that. We don't want
Even more. Yeah.
something
I
like
like walnuts.
And we run our knife through to make it some smaller pieces. We don't want them too big. It's just like that. And then with our bench scraper, into our salad it goes. And we continue with some cranberries. About the same.
I love cranberries in a salad.
It's very nice. You could also add pomegranate if you wanted to. That's also nice. That's another idea that you could do. But also here you want to give them a rough chop because you don't want these big, they are a little bit chewy. So to make it a little bit nicer.
Blend better in the salad.
Exactly. And you don't either want to overdo the cranberries because they are sweet. So in with that. And then we're going to take some cherry tomatoes. Now these are more like plum tomatoes given the size. If they're small, half them. These I will cut into 3. I don't know how many we say. We take out some. We're just going to cut them into bite-sized,
slices.
yeah, something like that, because we want it to be. Do we want a little bit more, you think?
Yeah, 2-3 more for sure.
Yeah, we don't want it either to be a tomato salad. It has to have tomato in it. And that's why I'm saying salads are boring.
Apart from Greek salad, right?
Apart from Greek
No,
salad. Yeah.
salads are not boring. You're boring.
And then I want to toss it a little bit before we add any dressing to it. So give it a good toss here to make sure everything is sort of well combined. The next step is our nice salad dressing, and this is where it becomes good. So on with a good amount of this. Don't be stingy, you want them kinda coated. So give it one more final toss.
You don't need to add salt or pepper.
No, I mean, that's up to you. You could also add, if you want, so you could add garlic to this and then make it like an aioli thing. But I don't think that's good for this. So there we have it. And then it's just dig in, get some tomato, and give this salad dressing a try. Amazing dressing. Fantastic for salads. You can use it over any kind of leaf salad. So salad doesn't have to be boring. The secret is in the dressing.